We got everything we need right here.
Hey guys, what is, oh, I just hit myself. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. I am so excited for today's video. But before we get on into the video, I quickly just need to address it because you guys probably noticed, maybe you didn't. Shelton got his braces off and I am seriously so obsessed with my smile right now. Like, oh my goodness, like my teeth look so good. Oh my goodness, I just got them off today. I was so happy. But something that I did not know is that when they're like filing down your teeth and just like making them smooth and even, it hurts. It hurts like I was literally like laying down in the chair, clenching my fists and everything. I was sweating all over the chair and I was just not having it. That was seriously one of the worst type of pain that I've ever felt before, and seriously no fun. If you guys have had your braces taken off, you know what I'm talking about. But it's also a good day because, as you guys already saw by the thumbnail and the title of this video, I went to Bath & Body Works and we are going to be reviewing the all new Pure Wonder body care, and I am seriously so excited for this. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video. Alright you guys, I am seriously so stoked for this because it's technically not out on the floor yet, but I was able to get my hands on it and I am so excited. When I went to the store, I purposely did not smell it at all because I want like a first time impression right now. So I did get the mist as well as the body cream and then the shower gel as well. So we pretty much have the whole collection right here. I am in love with the packaging, you guys. I think this is technically like a winter scent, like an early winter scent. Not exactly sure, but it is giving me like winter vibes. Like the front of it, like I don't know if you guys can like see in the detail, but it kind of reminds me of like a snowflake, as well like on the body cream itself, and then on the shower gel it's just giving me like snowflake vibes, you know? Alright you guys, so to start off, the notes in Pure Wonder follows as iced rosé, star jasmine, and then warm white amber. Oh my goodness guys, you guys already know me. If it has amber, I'm probably going to like it. I'm such a huge sucker for amber scents and I'm seriously so excited for this. So let's take the cap off and let's give her a nice little run. Alright, I'm so excited. I'm seriously so excited. Alright, let's let it sit. You guys, oh my goodness, this is phenomenal, you guys. Pure Wonder, where have you been all my life? I'm seriously not even trying to be like a dramatic. I mean, I am being dramatic, but I'm not trying to be dramatic. Like, this stuff smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely getting that icy note from the iced rosé, and then the warm white amber is there. It is definitely there, you guys. What does it remind me of? It reminds me of something. This is so good, you guys. Oh my goodness, I need to put some of the body cream on and see how that smells as well. Same notes in this as well, and it's also the Ultimate Hydration formula, which we all love. It just looks like that. It's white, nothing too fancy. Oh my goodness. It smells a little different in the body cream, I do have to say, but it's not bad. Like, what am I smelling? I think I'm getting more of the jasmine in the body cream. Also, if I sound kind of stuffy, it's because I have been sick for like over a week now. That's why I haven't uploaded, so I'm sorry about that, but I still have to just film for you guys because I have to get these reviews out there for you guys because I know you guys want to know. I want to know what everything smells like. Is it worth it? But yeah, in the body cream, I'm definitely getting more of that jasmine note. It's good though. It's good. And then we have the shower gel as well. Different. I think the shower gel is getting, I think the iced rosé is like overpowering in the shower gel. And it's good. This is good. I am seriously so freaking excited for this body care to launch and be out in stores. Oh my goodness. I have to tell you guys, you have to go get Pure Wonder. You are not going to be disappointed. I think this is a scent that most people are going to like. Oh my goodness, I need to smell it again. Oh my goodness. It is seriously so freaking good, you guys. I'm gonna spray more. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I love it. I love the packaging. I love the smell. There's seriously like nothing bad to say about this. But if I was forced to say something negative about it, is that I wish that all of the like body care items in the scent, I wish everything was consistent as far as the scent goes. Like they all smell good, but I wish they all smelled the exact same, and then it's pretty consistent, but they all do go together and they all smell amazing, and I'm seriously so excited. Okay guys, so now price points. The Fine Fragrance Mist actually retails for $17.50, so it's a little expensive now. Like Bath & Body Works is shooting up their prices. Also, something that I found out today is that the buy two get one sale is gone. They're not doing that anymore. It's gonna be buy three get three or buy three get one, which I just think is ridiculous because I was originally gonna do just the buy two get one so I can have like the little collection, but I had to go get something else. So that was a little bit of a bummer, and that kind of makes me upset. It is what it is right now. Yeah, Fine Fragrance Mist is $17.50, and then the shower gel retails for $15.50, and then the body cream retails for $17.50 as well. So these guys are the exact same price. They do smell good, so I think it's worth it, but still, just keep that in mind that they are a little bit pricier. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I'm not leaving.